Quarterly and
Not guilty, I am. Coffee, I went and got coffee. Wanted hot water, and he gave me lukewarm water, and then I bought coffee, and then he got that.
1 second, Mr. Sorrell, please.
Yeah, okay, mute.
Before this courtroom even settles in, chaos is already brewing. A man insists he's innocent over a cup of coffee. Prosecutors allege violent threats at a restaurant, and the judge is about to draw a very firm line on bond, behavior, and accountability. What starts as a routine hearing quickly spirals into a
What do you want to say regarding bond?
My client is like on personal bond, Your Honor. He promises to come back to court. He's anxious to resolve this matter.
The allegation is he was making a scene in Culver's, telling employees he was going to kill and stab everyone in the restaurant.
That isn't true, Your Honor. It was
Sir,
not
Mr.
true.
Sorrell, Mr.
I did
Sorrell,
not. You can
Mr.
watch.
Sorrell,
I have to
please,
be out today to go to.
please,
I want to talk.
please,
I have to go to
please.
probation today.
Please, sir.
Everything's
Sir.
been going well. I did not do that
Sir.
over a cup of coffee.
Okay. I just told your lawyer what the allegation is.
Well, I need personal bond to get out to go to probation. Everything's been going well, Judge. I live in Taylor now. I was over here I had to come over here to see friends too, and yeah. Over a cup of coffee, I'm gonna do that. Yeah, right.
All right, I'm going to tell you the bond conditions first. You cannot leave the state without the consent of the court. You cannot violate any law or ordinance. If you change your address, your place of employment, or home telephone number, you must notify probation. You have to report as directed. No contact with Woodhaven Culver's employees. No contact with prosecution witnesses. You cannot enter 23300 Allen Road in Woodhaven or any other Culver's restaurant. You're not to possess any firearms. You cannot possess dangerous weapons.
Good.
7,500, 10% is the bond.
What?
I will give you a
Sure,
court date of
You're gonna send me to
January the
county again,
28th.
man. I can't go to county. You understand
January
that?
28th
I
at
need
10:30.
need medicine. I can't go to county. I can't go to county, man. I need medicine. What are you sending me to county? I can't pay the
Put
bond.
medical on there, Heather.
I want a
Thank
personal
you.
bond, man. No.
Okay, Judge.
I want a personal bond, you asshole. What is up here? You never give me personal bond. You're an asshole, man.
All right, I'm an asshole. That's
You won't
okay.
give me personal bond.
All right,
You
let
have
him
to.
shut the thing off. Will you guys? I've
I
had
didn't
enough of
send me
this.
back to county.
Oh, wait a minute. That's it.
Judge, you want me to remove the camera?
Well, do I have another one with you guys, Wilson, or is that in here? Oh, yeah, you shut the camera off. Anya, Adriana, Barbara Wilson, 25W840825. Ma'am, your name?
McNally Wilson.
All right, driver license expired. She stand me wait for my reading?
Yes, Your Honor.
Where's she been? Why didn't you show up on this, ma'am?
Your Honor, I know you've heard this reason many times, but it's true here. The bottom line is she didn't get notice, Your Honor. They sent it to her parents' house. Didn't know, or she would have came and resolved it.
They handed her the ticket. It said to appear within 10 days. Did you call the court? Yes or no?
No.
Well, then come on. Don't play with us, okay? Or else you're going to end up in jail. I don't want to hear it. You do that again, you bring a lot of money with you. $100 personal bond. You cannot leave the state without the consent of the court. You cannot violate a law. You must appear in court as directed.
Can we get the director, sir, new address, Your Honor?
Yeah. Go ahead.
22576 West Road here in Woodhaven, 48183.
I'm sorry, 2256 West Road?
Yes,
Okay.
76, yes. All right. Woodhaven, 48183. And a new phone number, if the court doesn't have it, is 734-925-3816.
All right, ma'am, I'm going to give you a court date. Your court date's going to be in front of Judge Hess on January 28th at 11. You make sure you show up, ma'am. You understand? Can't be doing this. You get yourself in all kinds of trouble. Good luck. If you want a petition for a court-appointed lawyer, if you want a court-appointed going forward, you're gonna have to fill out a petition for one, okay? Jermaine Hall, Jermaine Sean Hall Jr., 25, G 306346 A and B. Name, sir? What do you have to say, Mr. He's missed at least three times. He thinks he's walking out of here with a personal bond too.
Well,
What happened? Was he in custody? Was he in the hospital?
no, Your Honor, he just made an honest mistake. He thought the court date today versus yesterday.
Yeah, 3,010%. You cannot leave the state. I'm not changing my mind. He's
Well,
missed three.
You change your mind. What the court considered 2,010%, he
Nope.
has $200.
Nope, I'm not.
He's got $220.
I don't care if he's got $220. I want 300. He's missed three times. He's not going to keep doing this. You want to keep delaying this until the day? That's okay. January the 29th at 9:15. You cannot leave the state. You cannot violate a law. You must appear in court as directed. Grow up, okay? Grow up. That's it. He'll let you make some calls. Be glad to let you make some calls to come up with money, but I'm telling you, I've had it with you. You understand what I'm saying? Good. Mr. Crawford, can I talk to you a second?
Dr. Boring, representing Michael Bates Chevrolet, I'm complaint to it for this case.
Good morning. What is your position with Michael Bates?
General manager.
Raise your right hand. You solemnly swear affirm under penalties of perjury that the testimony you'll give in these proceedings will be the whole truth, so help you God.
I do.
So what happened here?
So Ms. Vander, I don't want to mispronounce it, I apologize, came into the dealership to purchase a vehicle. And when she purchased that vehicle, she was supposed to bring back a cashier's check for the amount that she owed, and she never did.
Did you sign the title over?
We did, we stated the car. She's.
Wait a minute, you signed the title over to her?
Yes, we
Did she register it with the Secretary of State?
Yes.
Why would you do that before you got the money? Or was this a later payment, balloon payment at the end?
It was, if you look on the attachment, sir, you'll see the payment plan that she organized with the dealership.
Jeez, I see. Okay, good enough. So she owes you guys, she got the car, she didn't pay for it. You still are owed $6,216. Thank you. And 60 cents. You should have some court costs too. Can you give me a breakdown of those? I need to know what you paid for.
For Dino, it was $75.
Okay,
To file our court fees was $70, sir. I have those receipts with me.
so 75 and 70, right?
Yes, that's correct.
So that's $145, and on top of the 6216 60. So that should be another 145. That should be 63, 61, 60, right?
That's correct.
All right, judgment is entered. I'm going to give you a copy of, I'm going to ask you to go down the hall. Just give him a couple minutes. He'll bring the file down. I filled out the judgment for you and you're all set. I hope you can collect that. Best of luck.
Thank you, sir.
Is Flat Rock out there? People again, Sterling, Joseph Wright, 25W84088, 1A and B, and also 25F244059. Good morning, Mr. Wright. Your name? Muted. I can't hear him.
Good
Your
morning, Judge Sterling Wright.
All right, officer, your name?
Officer Porter.
Yeah, I'm going to ask you to take your hat off if you would, Mr. Westmoreland, your name?
Good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Corey Westmoreland, appearing on behalf of Mr. Wright.
So we have a charge here of disorderly person public intox and minor in possession from November 22nd. He was in front of me on December 11th. The case that he was in here on November 22, he didn't show up for on December 17th. And he also has an open intox. Where's he been?
Your Honor, he's currently living down on the road and he didn't have,
All right. I see. Where was he picked up at, officer?
In Flat Rock. That I'm not sure.
I believe his parents' address is in Flat Rock. So.
Right.
Parents.
You didn't graduate, did you, son?
No, I did not graduate from high school. No.
I can't hear you.
No, I did not graduate.
You're not in high school anymore.
No, I'm not in high school anymore.
Are you working?
Yes.
Where?
In Flat Rock. I moved furniture.
For who?
Work for a moving company.
Which one?
Wheel Deal Moving.
Will Deal Moving?
Wheel, like WILL. Wheel. Wheel Deal Moving. I
Yeah.
also work for other companies as well, though.
You know why I knew you didn't graduate?
How'd you know that?
Because when you act this irresponsible, there's no way you get through high school. No way.
Mm.
How many hours do you work per week?
Maybe around 40.
Maybe around 40. How much do you make per hour?
$20.
You make $800 a week. That's pretty good. Is that how much you
Somewhere
make per
around-
week?
Somewhere around there.
Why isn't he showing up besides the fact that he didn't have a ride, even though his parents live in Flat Rock and he works out of Flat Rock? That's just an excuse, isn't it, Mr. Wright?
Absolutely not.
Oh, it's not an excuse? Well, then we're going to make sure you got a ride to court. How's that? I'll make sure you have a ride to court. And they can take you over from the Flat Rock Police Department when I get ready to handle this, okay? And then you're going to have to post a high bond. So, you know, don't tell your lawyer things that are not true. Okay?
Your Honor, I think he acknowledges, and he meant to say was, it's not a good excuse, but he understands. After I spoke with him, he does understand the importance of the hearing and making sure he clears all his matters.
So he's got a November 22 minor in possession. He must have a prior minor in possession, right? Yeah, that's what that says on the ticket. That's why they charged it as a misdemeanor. So you have that case. Good. Give me 1 second, if you would, please. You've been in front of me before. I remember you. You know what? You have been, right?
Think so.
In fact, you were
I
in
know.
front of me at the Flat Rock Police Department, sitting there just as you are now, right?
No, I don't think that was it. I think I had came in to come see you.
You'd come to Flat Rock, or you came to the court?
No, I came to the courtroom to see you. I was in court when I see you.
You gonna grow up, or you gonna act like this your whole life?
No, I'm really ready to figure this out and make it to where I don't got these warrants and I don't have all these fines and we can just put it on one accord to where I can just boom, boom, boom and knock everything down and just instead of having warrants here and being, and keep going through this process.
Yeah,
It's not.
Yeah, well, you're bringing this on yourself.
Well, I wasn't sure about a warrant. Like I didn't know how that worked really. I wasn't knowing. You feel me?
Do you stand mute and
So-
waive formal reading on the failure to pay, which is 25R514323?
That's correct, Your Honor.
It's a mute on there. We muted.
You missed too many times here, son. John, you're gonna have to go over there. We're gonna have to do a screening as I ordered quite some time ago. So here's what I'm doing. Anything else, Mr. Westmoreland?
Not at this time, Judge.
Well, I'll give you an early court date. I'll do that because I want to be a lot more fair with you than you have been with us, okay?
Okay.
Is that all right with you or?
Yes, yeah.
Keep doing this. I don't get it. You've missed court 4 or 5 times here. 1,510% on 25F244059. We're going to need a screening and assessment and probation, John, to get on to do screening on 25F244059. You have 210. I'm entering a not guilty plea on 25R514323. That'll be $100 cash. I will set that for January the 29th, and that will be at 9:15. And then on Judge Hessen's cases, you have an open intox and you have a minor in possession. 1,010% on that. No contact with prosecution witnesses, no alcohol, no marijuana, no illegal drugs. Do you understand all that? And that's on both the open intox and the MIP. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
So that'll be on January 29th at 9:45, the pretrial on that. So you got a contempt hearing in front of me, a sentencing in front of me, and then you've got pretrials in front of Judge Hessen on the 29th, and again, that will be at 9:45. Okay? You cannot leave the state. You cannot violate a law. You must appear in court as directed. You need to get to court on time, sir. Okay? Don't be late. We understand one another?
Yes.
Thanks.
Is probation need to zoom?
And we're going to give you, yes, probation needs to zoom in with him, officer. So if you'll just bear with us and we'll get you, tell him, John, tell whoever down there, I want him to have a court appointed lawyer. Trenton Federal Credit Union versus Lisa Tiroli in Hypnotic Inc. 07W995. Good morning, Mr. Kobola. Checking on that one for me, right?
Yes, just give me a minute or two, okay?
Sure.
Thank
No,
you.
take your time. I told him not till 10:30.
Okay.
Here, Steve.
Your Honor, it's Mr. Begg.
How you doing, Mr. Begg? Your appearance?
Good morning, Your Honor. Jay Begg, P36820 on behalf of plaintiff LVNV funding.
Your name, ma'am?
Lori.
How did this get rescheduled? Why weren't you here last time?
Your Honor, I guess I put in my phone, put it on the wrong date.
What date?
January I think it was the 15th, and I came up here to bring the information, and then
I told you to provide 1 month of bank statements to verify your position, and I adjourned it to December 15th at 10, and you were here on that date, November 17th at 25. Then you didn't show up December 15th. Why?
I left a note for you because
What do you mean left a note?
So I don't normally take care. My fiance passed away. He normally schedules.
Okay,
I have memory issues from my injury. I've got a lot going on, and I guess I put it in my phone on the wrong date.
Did you read Mr. Begg, what do you have to say here?
Oh, I haven't seen any bank statements.
Where are they?
I mean,
Right here, I brought them up here, and they told me to bring them to court.
How did this get rescheduled again, Linda? Can you tell me?
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
Can you tell me how this got rescheduled again?
Just because she filed the objection to garnishment.
Yeah, but she was here on just October or November 17th. I told her to provide bank statements.
Right.
And then and I told her on the record, and we sent out a notice saying you have to be here December 15th at 10. And then she failed to appear on that day. And I just said defendant failed to appear, objections deemed to be invalid. Did you file an order, Mr. Begg, or your office file an order on that date?
That I don't know, Your Honor.
No, Your Honor, there is no order on file.
No. Mr. Twardzik, Officer Twardzik, you're gonna have to take your hat off. And do they know over in probation that she's to be on there? I just saw them waiting.
That's for, there's only one. Jessica's the only person in probation, and she's got somebody in there. They're gonna have to reschedule when we get released because they have nobody to talk to yet. Coming from Pam. Emily's off all week.
Emily's gone.
All week.
Good.
Right.
They're good.
I'm sorry. Beth's gone. So Jessica's the one there.
We're gonna have to do that, officer. You convey, officer, we only have one probation officer in the building right now. So you can log off. Are you gonna be able to post the bonds, Mr. Sir? Are you gonna be able to post the bonds? I'm talking to you in the Flat Rock Jail.
Right.
How you doing? Post my bond.
Right.
What's my bond right now? What does it say that right now?
Well, I said 100, 1,500, and what else? 1,500, 10%. For God's sakes.
Said 1,500, 100, and 1,000.
So I'm gonna have to.
1,000, 10%. So you're gonna have to post $350.
All right.
Are you gonna be able to post it?
Yeah.
If you post it, you come up here to be screened. You understand what I'm telling you?
Yeah.
If you don't show up, I'm not gonna listen to this stuff about not having a ride. Do we understand one another?
Yes.
Okay.
All right.
So nobody did what they were supposed to do on this case. You didn't give me the bank statements. You didn't show up. You guys didn't file the order, Mr. Big. I mean,
Your Honor, I came up here before the court date to bring the bank statements. I took them to the front desk. They told me to bring them back and bring them into court.
I don't have time to look at all this right now. He has the right to look at the bank statements and tell me whether or not he agrees with you.
I mean, I don't know. The only thing they said is that they need
The only thing I'm going to say is, as a judge, I get tired of people not showing up.
Your Honor, I
Do you
would,
hear what I said?
yes. And
Put the dates on your calendar, put it on your refrigerator, put it on your wrist. I don't know what to tell you. I get tired of people not showing up. They don't want to show up, they lose.
it was,
If the team doesn't show up for the Super Bowl, guess what? They forfeit. That's the way the country lives. That's the way we've lived for 250 years.
can I say I
No.
agree with you, but I am an injured worker. I have memory issues. I have a lot of.
Here's what I'm going to do. You're going to, how many pages of bank statements do you have? Bro,
Three.
okay, that's all?
Yes, because I just opened this account. For the workers' comp payment.
When did you just open the account?
I opened it. I got the check.
Just tell me about when.
Your Honor, I really have. no-
Okay, no, that's fine. Just tell me.
Really trying, yeah. It's hard to shake.
I want you to give her the new notice, if you would, Linda or Jennifer. Somebody give her the new notice that I'm going to give her.
Okay.
There's only 3 pages. I'm going to ask you to copy those pages. We're going to reschedule. We're going to send them to Mr. Begg, and then you're going to have to come back on that day. So do you understand that?
Yes, I was kind of looking through this as you were talking, trying to find the date. So you're gonna,
We're gonna reschedule the case. I'll just make a note. Defendant failed to appear previously. Plaintiff's office did not file order. Reschedule case. What day do you want to give me, Linda?
Would February 10th work, Your Honor?
What day of the week is that?
That is a Tuesday.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay,
February
at 9:30.
at 9:30, Mr. Big. We're gonna send you, she's gonna drop off those pages. Don't charge her anything. Make copies, send to Mr. Big. He can look at them, and we'll see everybody here
That's good.
On-
Could you
on
just have,
February 10th at 9:30. So they'll give you the notice, they'll make the copies, take the copies, make sure you show back up on that day. We'll send them to the lawyer and he can take a look at those and make you both, you can show up on that date and make your argument, okay?
if these are copies, can I just leave them today?
I want you to take your copies. It's gonna only take them a minute to make
Okay.
2 sets of 3 pages, correct? Okay? Thank you.
just send them to the attorney of record. I think it's,
All in one session. Across every case, the message stays consistent. Show up, follow instructions, and take the process seriously, or the consequences compound fast. Judges have discretion, but patience wears thin when deadlines are ignored and accountability is dodged. Whether it's bond denial, higher financial penalties, or judgments entered on the spot, the system rewards preparation and punishes chaos. If you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns you won't see anywhere else.